Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of March, 2025, our system has ranked supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.68. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 22.07% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 4.2% to 93.34%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates a projected change of negative 58.05%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 38.5% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $0 and $24.07. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Supermicrocomputer Stock Price on Tuesday, moving between $34.51 and $40.60. The supermicrocomputer stock price gained 8.51% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, rising from $36.07 to $39.14. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 17.66%, with a low point at $34.51 and a high point of $40.60. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 29.94% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 14 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 108 million shares bought and sold for approximately $4.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $122.90, while the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price is 68.15%, or $83.76 below the 52-week high of $122.90, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Supermicrocomputer, trading under the symbol SMCI, has experienced significant market movements recently, driven by a combination of compliance news and ongoing challenges. SMCI is now compliant with financial statement requirements, a development welcomed by investors as it alleviates concerns about potential delisting. This compliance could lead to short-term price stabilization and renewed interest from institutional investors. However, the stock's recent performance reveals deeper issues, including stalled sales growth and legal challenges related to previous accounting irregularities. These factors have contributed to considerable volatility, with the stock dropping sharply recently due to trade fears associated with artificial intelligence. Analysts emphasize that competition in the AI server market is intense, particularly with rivals like NVDA and Okta. Looking ahead, analysts suggest that while there is upside potential, with estimates of earnings per share growth exceeding 6.5% beyond fiscal year 2025, the stock's dependence on a limited customer base could pose risks. In the long term, success will likely depend on the company's ability to diversify its revenue and effectively implement its strategic initiatives, including the development of a new campus in Silicon Valley designed to enhance its AI server capabilities. The next few quarters will be critical in determining how these dynamics will affect SMCI's stock price. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Loop Capital Markets also assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, Wedbush reported a neutral grade for SMCI with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of November 2024, Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. On the same day, Citigroup gave SMCI a reduced grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicrocomputer stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, as well as the price-to-book ratio, which is also deemed neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. The Supermicrocomputer stock presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal emerges from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there exists a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it could encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $43.98. Conversely, if the stock declines, it may find support from the long-term average at around $38.26. A breakout above the short-term average would signal a buy, while a breakdown below the long-term average would indicate a sell. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 3, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 8.51%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is typically considered a strong technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact near-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a sell 8 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a sell 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 17 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average indicated a sell 4 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a sell 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 11 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $36.07 and $33.44. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Supermicrocomputer finds support just below today's level at $36.07. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $33.44 and $31.49. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $6.09 between its high and low, which is a change of 17.66%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 15.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at approximately $0.59. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $39.68. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to evaluate for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $36.07. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of February, 2025, David E. Wygand made an insider purchase of 12,164 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Don W. Clegg made an insider purchase of 7,542 shares of restricted stock units. Also on February 27th, Tally C. Liu made an insider purchase of 1,040 shares of stock options, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Tally C. Liu conducted another insider purchase of 747 shares of restricted stock units. Finally, on February 27th, Wally Lia Yixin made an insider purchase of 2,373 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 5.166. Overall, insiders acquired 5,694,140 shares and sold 5,462,632 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $37.57, reflecting a decline of 4.02%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which presents significant risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Supermicrocomputer stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of March, we expect Supermicrocomputer to open lower by $1.06, starting at $38.08. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.